commentaries, and let's talk about INOX. Weak set of numbers posted, but we are joined by Mr. Deepak Acharya, CEO, INOX India. Hi, good morning. Welcome to the show. You have an FY27 revenue growth guidance of 18 to 20% despite a relatively slow start. What gives you the confidence to achieve this target?
Yeah, we started FY27 with a positive note, with a healthy execution and a strong order inflow. Our diversified presence across industrial gases, LNG, cryogenic equipment, and emerging sectors provides us with multiple growth drivers. While we do not comment on the quarter to quarter numbers, our focus remains on executing the existing orders in efficient manner and maintaining healthy profitability and pursuing quality order inflows. With the present order book in hand, we are quite confident, whatever the numbers we have projected earlier, that our growth will be around 18 to 20%. We'll continue with that. And we have strong order inflow, so that it gives us a confidence.
Right. Now, your order book, of course, has reached a record 1,686 crore rupees, with nearly 68% coming in from exports. How are you managing execution risks amid the ongoing global trade and the geopolitical uncertainties as well?
Yeah, our order book is very strong, as you have seen, and we are quite positive. We are expanded our infrastructure at Savli, as well as we are building a new workshop at Kandla to complete our orders according to the timeline and whatever the commitments we are given to our customer. So, though the backlogs are on higher side, with our strong engineering, manufacturing excellence, and our project management efforts, we are quite confident we can achieve this target within a specified time.
I've also received initial semiconductor orders for the Dholera project. How large do you see this opportunity becoming over the next few years, and how are you addressing this shortage of skilled manpower?
Yeah, we received good orders from Dholera Tata project, basically for storage and transport equipment. And we see that more and more such projects are coming in India, as India is investing almost 1.6 lakh crore investment into the semiconductor. And at least 75% of that 1.6 lakh is coming up in Gujarat. And we are located in Gujarat. So we are very much confident that we can cater to this requirement in Gujarat. And regarding the skilled manpower, we have started a skill development center at ITMSL in Baroda University near Jarod, where we'll be training the people for semiconductor application, especially on the semiconductor pipeline, which is orbital welded. And we have tied up with INOX Air Products and Swedlock company from USA for such type of training. We are a first batch of welders is ready to take on this challenge. And going forward, we see a huge potential for such trained manpower requirement in the semiconductor industry. And we are gearing ourselves to see that we cater this market in an effective way.
Right now, Mr. Acharya, how do you see the LNG business contributing to growth over the next few years?
Yeah, if you see the LNG prices over a period of time is now stable and perhaps on a lower side. And going forward, we see a lot of potential, especially in the satellite areas, satellite stations, LCNG stations, marine fuel tanks for the ships, and automotive fuel tanks, small scale LNG terminals. So we see a lot of potential into this market. And we are develop the products which can cater to this requirement in a best possible way. So we don't find anything wrong in going forward ahead on this LNG businesses. And we are quite confident that whatever the targets we have kept for LNG business and the growth opportunities which we see, we will definitely meet those targets.
Right. Also, now the beverage keg business is still operating below optimal utilization. What really are the key steps to achieve the targeted 50 to 60% utilization by the end of FY27? And really, when do you expect this business to become meaningfully profitable?
Yeah, the beverage cake business is little tricky business, I can say. And in the past, last 2 years, we have been approved by the major breweries such as Heineken, AB InBev, Molson Coors, and others. And the product quality which we have supplied so far to this industry is very well appreciated by the industry. And going forward, we see a lot of potential, especially from these majors, as well as now we have received the inquiries from Asahi company. So we see that going forward, at least 50 to 60% by end of this year, we can manage the orders. And in beverage industry, last few years, no major purchases happened. So now the time has come that industry has to procure kegs on a large number, and we are ready to cater to this requirement.
Looking beyond FY27, which business, aerospace, semiconductors, LNG, cryoscientific solutions, or another segment has the potential to become INOX India's biggest growth engine?
So, as you know, we have three major verticals: industrial gas, LNG, and cryoscientific. So we see good potential in all the three sectors, especially when we talk about industrial gases. We have good opportunities for steel industry, semiconductor industry, data centers, aerospace application, healthcare, and many others. On LNG, we have very good opportunities for fueling stations, marine fuel tanks, automotive fuel tanks, small-scale LNG terminals. And on cryoscientific, we have variety of opportunities for big science projects, mainly not only in India but outside India as well. As we have, our name is now well known in the market, especially in the European market, for such big science project, and we have delivered the project in time. So people are very confident about INOX India's quality and timely delivery of our equipment. So they are giving preference to INOX India for such complex and very critical projects.
All right, now, Mr. Acharya, finally, anything that you'd like to say to investors to look forward as they go ahead?
Yeah, my message to the all the investors. So INOX India is continue to benefit from strong industry fundamentals, a diversified business model, technological leadership, and robust order pipeline. Our focus remains on disciplined execution, operational excellence, innovation, and creating sustainable long-term value for all our stakeholders.
All right, Mr. Acharya, thank you so much for taking your time out today for us and answering all the questions. Thanks.